Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the provision and reserve. As it is also the part of the depreciation, but today I am discussing about the differences between the revenue reserve and the capital reserve and the revenue between the reserves and provision. Now you may see the difference between the revenue and the capital reserves. The basis of the difference number 1, sources of creation. Revenue reserves are created out of the revenue profits, but the capital reserves are created out of the capital profit. Capital profit word is referring to the item those who are linked with more than 1 year. Purpose. The main purpose of the revenue reserve is to strengthen the business, to increase the financial power of the business, and to meet the unforeseen contingency, unexpected losses. But the capital reserves are created for meeting the legal requirements. So it is legally to maintain and legally is to use. Next is the uses. The next, revenue reserves can be used for any purpose, journal as well as to the specific also. Because the categorizations are two, one is the specific reserve. Specific reserve can be used for the special purpose. Next is the general reserve. Then general reserve can be used for any general purposes. It means the general reserve funds can be used for the specific, but the specific reserve cannot be used for the general purposes. But the capital reserves are used to minimize the capital losses. So it means this is the comparative study which is related with your capital and revenue reserve. Now I am moving to the difference between the reserve and provision. So you may see the difference provision and reserve. The first is the basic natures. The basic natures of the provision, it is to be considered as charge. When it is a charge, it will be charged from the profit and loss account as a compulsory item. But the reserve is the appropriations, it is not compulsory to maintain. So it is a appropriations for the profit. Next is the purpose. Provisions are created for the known liabilities which is already known to the business, but the reserves are created for strengthening the business, uplifting the business. Next is effect on the taxable profits. The provision reduce the tax liability of the business, but the reserves has no such kind of effect. Presentation in the balance sheet. The provisions are shown in the two manners. One is on the liability side, but if it is created on asset, then it will be deducted from the asset side with the concerned asset. Reserves. Reserves always remain on the liability side under the head of reserve and surplus. The next one is the element of compulsion. Provisions are compulsory to create. The rate of provision will be decided by the management. But the creation of reserve is not compulsory, depends upon the discretions of the management. Uses for the payment of dividend. Reserve provision cannot be used for any other purposes, cannot be used for the distribution of dividend, but the general reserve can be used for the distribution. Not the specific, but the general reserve can be used for provision, but the provision cannot be used for reserve. So I think these are the difference point now and can complete the chapter. Thank you.